My first ever trading signal was a screenshot in a Telegram group that said, buy gold now. No stop loss, no amount, no reasoning. It went badly and it nearly put me off entirely. So when I look at a signal service now, I know exactly what to check. So let me show you what PrimeVerse Signal Desk actually sends and why the difference matters more than any win rate. This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Trading carries risk and you can lose money. Always do your own research. If the word signal is new to you, don't worry. It just means somebody telling you about a trade worth taking. But a proper one has 3 numbers attached, and this is the whole thing. Your entry, which is where you get in. Your stop loss, which is the price where you accept you were wrong and get out. And your take profit, which is where you're aiming. Entry, stop, target. 3 numbers. Anything less than that isn't a signal, it's an opinion. And without a stop loss, there's nothing telling you when to give up. You sit there watching it go against you, telling yourself it'll come back. That's what happened to me. 3 parts to it. The alerts come through with all 3 numbers, pushed to your phone as they happen. You're not scrolling a group chat hoping to catch one in time. There's a live trading floor where the desk streams real money positions, so you can watch the trade being taken rather than reading about it afterwards. That's the part I'd actually use. Watching somebody hesitate and talk themselves through a decision teaches more than any written explanation, and Prime Academy's curriculum runs alongside it, which is what turns following signals into learning to trade, rather than just copying. If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, it's time to stop relying on guesswork. Let me introduce you to signalpeak.io, a trading signal platform built around precision and structure, not random entries. With SignalPeak, you get real-time trading signals, clearly defined entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, plus structured market analysis that actually explains the setup. There are also dedicated channels tailored to different trading styles, so you can follow what suits you best. Most importantly, everything is built around discipline and proper risk management, because consistency always comes first. If you're still unsure, they offer a free trial so you can test the quality for yourself before committing. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure. Trade with confidence. Try signalpeak.io today. Now, let's get back to the video. They report around 83% across 170 odd tracked trades. More on that number in a second. The most important sentence in this video. The signal doesn't decide whether you make money. Your position size does. 2 people take the identical signal, same entry, same stop, same target. One risks a sensible slice and shrugs when it loses. The other goes far too big because they're certain, and one loss takes a month to recover from. Same signal, completely different outcome. Work out what you're risking per trade before you take a single alert and keep it small enough that a losing run is boring rather than terrifying. If you want somebody else doing the thinking permanently, this will let you down eventually. If you want structured trades with properly defined risk while you learn the reasoning underneath, that's exactly what it's built for. Go and have a look for yourself. The link is in the description. Email in, pick your tier, and then it's done. And if you've already been burnt by a group like the one I joined, nearly everybody has. It's practically a rite of passage, and it's a reason you'll be more careful than I was.